Yeah, that's funny. A lot of people asked us, or like students, they said, "Why did you come here?"
My name is Fre.
My name is Boris.
Yeah, so I guess these last 4 months they have been quite crazy.
Very different from what we're used to back home, and that's the beauty of it, I think.
What I really liked here is anytime you started with a project, like almost 3 days later, you would already be in the Fab Lab and trying some stuff out using this machine that you never used before.
And from Delft, we were given this big list to choose from. So when TDV was on the list, we looked into it, and I thought, "What, this looks really nice. I could learn a lot there, and also within my field of interest."
Here you had to kind of get used to the way people communicate, to kind of understand what do they mean. Very nice to have like people who took you along and kind of showed you the way things are done here.
More getting inspired by what the other students did rather than the projects that I could work on myself, I guess. And also here at TDV, the education is really good.
If I compare it to back home, what I really liked here is school lunches. They're so nice.
Yeah, they're amazing.